Did you know that automated trading bots can analyze market trends in fractions of a second, giving them a massive edge over human traders? Today, I want to talk about one of the most exciting opportunities I've come across in the online trading space, and that's using ChatGPT AI for trading. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we trade, making it faster, more efficient, and more profitable. The best part? You don't need to be a seasoned trader or a tech expert to get started. In recent years, we've seen AI-powered trading bots take the financial world by storm, and it's easy to see why. They can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make trades lightning fast, all without emotions getting in the way. And with ChatGPT AI, you can tap into this technology for free, giving you a real chance to break into the lucrative world of online trading. One of the most appealing aspects of using ChatGPT AI for trading is its accessibility. You don't need a degree in computer science or a background in finance to start using it. The bot does all the heavy lifting for you, analyzing market data, identifying opportunities, and making trades, all in a matter of seconds. As we dive deeper into this topic, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own ChatGPT AI trading bot, so you can start generating income without breaking the bank. But first, let's talk about the common challenges traders face and how this AI bot can help you overcome them. We've all been there, stuck in front of our screens, trying to make sense of the chaotic market, wondering when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold. It's a high-stress environment, and one wrong move can cost you dearly. That's why most traders struggle to make consistent profits. They're forced to make quick decisions based on incomplete information, often leading to impulsive mistakes. Market volatility is another major hurdle traders face. One minute the market's soaring, the next it's plummeting. It's impossible to keep up, especially when you're trying to make sense of it all manually. And let's not forget the emotional aspect of trading. Fear, greed, and anxiety can cloud your judgment, leading to costly mistakes. But what if I told you there's a way to eliminate these risks? A way to trade with precision, speed, and accuracy, all while minimizing your emotional involvement? That's exactly what the ChatGPT AI Trading Bot offers. By leveraging its advanced algorithms and MEV capabilities, you can make trades with confidence, knowing you're getting the best possible results. The MEV, or Minor Extractable Value, is a game changer in the world of AI trading. It allows the bot to identify and capitalize on hidden opportunities in the market, giving you an edge over other traders. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert or a math whiz to set it up. I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. So, how does the ChatGPT AI Trading Bot work its magic? In essence, it's a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes market data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. It then uses this information to make trades, often in a matter of seconds, giving you a huge advantage over manual traders. The bot can be set up to work 24/7, generating income even when you're not actively trading. And because it's automated, you can focus on other areas of your life, knowing your trades are being handled by a sophisticated AI system. But don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories of traders who've used this bot to generate life-changing income. One of the most remarkable stories I've come across is that of Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who managed to earn a staggering $2,000 a day using this very bot. Sarah's story is truly inspiring. With no prior trading experience, she was able to set up her bot and start generating income within weeks. Her key to success? She was consistent, persistent, and willing to learn. She fine-tuned her bot settings, adjusted her strategies, and rode the waves of market fluctuations, always staying one step ahead of the game. What's remarkable about Sarah's story is that she didn't have a background in finance or technology. She was simply a determined individual who saw the potential of AI trading and ran with it. And if she can do it, so can you. Let's recap the main points we've discussed today. We've talked about the potential of using ChatGPT AI for trading, the common challenges traders face, and how this AI bot can help you overcome them. We've also delved into the bot's MEV capabilities, its ability to analyze market data, and the success stories of those who've used it to generate life-changing income. Lastly, I want to encourage you to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or experiences using AI trading bots. I'd love to hear from you, and see how I can help you achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more trading tips and strategies.